Guys, we're back, and I'm showing off my strong arms, which I don't mean to. So, hi.
Hi guys, this is it's Dad. How are you? I just want to say hi.
Excuse me, jump into what? Anyways, we got a lot of stuff planned for you today. First, we're going to start off by solving this Rubik's Cube. Yes, I did it in the last episode also. Episode? No, last video also. But today, I'm going to be showing you real life solving. And notice, I'm not the fastest solver ever. I'm not a cuber, as people might say. I just like to cube. So, let's get into that. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Again, I don't want to show off or anything because a lot of people don't like it. But, I don't know. I just hope I get views this way or something. To be honest, all I'm trying to do is get views. I'm not doing this for fun. No, I mean, it's half fun and then like half views. I think when YouTube started, most of the people just posted because it's for fun. And then slowly people started watching their videos and they just became famous. And then now everybody else wants to be like them and stuff like that. So I guess the only way to have success on YouTube is to do stuff you like, which I'm doing right now. It's 31 minutes. It broke. Damn it, 1 second. There we go, fixed. Doesn't look right. Okay. Done. That is 2 minutes 30 seconds. Boom. Solved. Told you I wasn't the fastest solver, but look, I solved it anyways. If you guys saw the whole solve, you guys are honestly one of the greatest viewers ever, because you guys can sit and watch through a 10-minute long video and it's like not hard to watch this. If you guys can have the patience to watch a 10-minute video, you guys can definitely watch this. Alright, anyways, moving on. Woody, you are the best stinking cowboy in the whole Wild West. Let us ride. Yeehaw! Oh. Hi. Yeah, but that's my aunt's toy. I just wanted to see how cool it was. Anyways, let's talk about the let's talk about my maturity. Sometimes I think of myself as a very immature person, but in class, I'm probably one of the most maturest people there. Maturest? Maturest. Sounds like a disease. A poop disease. Hey, that was a joke. Okay? I didn't mean to say that. I'm not really that offensive, but sorry, I'm not really that much immature. But at home, I feel very immature. Even my younger brother and my younger 4-year-old sister look more mature than me. Like, to be honest, I have lots of friends in class, but at home, I literally have no one else to talk to. Like my brother, because of the coronavirus, we're staying at home, right? But so my brother, he just goes onto the internet and he just talks with his 2 friends. Like I can't even have my friend on a goddamn WhatsApp chat. Like I asked my mom, like, can I have the phone so I can talk with my friends? She most of the time says yes. But there's these other times she says no, which is like, it's either 50-50 chance. Like, half of the time she says yes, which is okay by me. But for Rahul, he just begs my mom, like, please. So yeah, he gets it most of the time. And he is using it to spend time with his 2 friends. Like the other day, like today, he did not even know how to put Hangout. Like, you know Google Hangout, right? He did not know how Google Hangout works. So he went on the App Store, searched Hangouts. All he got was like paid apps. He was going to buy something. Like for 90 rupees, something like that. And before that, I even told him, Rahul, check if they have a computer or a phone. He's like, I said, do they have a computer or a phone? Which I said before. Awkward. But I said, do you have a phone or a computer? He said yes. Phone or computer? Yes. Wow. Again, phone or computer? Yes! With the sassy attitude. And then finally I said, do they have a phone or a computer? I got very mad because I can't have the phone and he always hogs the phone. So he said, they have both. Now get lost, you bloody buffoon. I got angry. And, oh shit, I just realized we're off topic and it's already been 3 minutes. End of story. I did it for him and he didn't even say thank you. So, in conclusion, I learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube. And at home, I'm very, very immature. But in class, I'm very mature. Looks like we're running out of time. Well, I guess I gotta go. See ya later, suckers.